for Lycolatu uses and everything, because for few weeks I am using Lycolatu. I just bought it from Flipkart, Indian retail model. Okay, now I will show you how to use or optimize Lyco for the best. You can see I have not downloaded too much app. Allo, Hike, Twitter, Lite, IMO, WhatsApp, and Asphalt Nitro, Ludo, Google Keyboard, Amrit Kirtan, that's Punjabi, camera, very crazy camera, play games, and just, but it is optimizing too much RAM, not too much, just 1.7 GB, which is quite good, but nothing that. Now, first thing that I would like to show you, that you can connect to settings. After going to setting, you can go to about phone, and I can show you that this is Lycolatu, model name Lailu. Okay, now I will show you how to means see hidden features in Lycolatu. Okay, it's quite amazing. You need to go to settings. After going to setting, you need to scroll down, accessibility. After going accessibility, scroll a little bit down, you will see press and hold virtual button. In that, you need to press multitasking button. You can enable it for screenshot. After enabling a screenshot, I will show you how to take. Okay, now you can't see my button, but I can tell you how. You can go in Google Play, like I will search Google. After searching Google, any app, I will click on it. After clicking on it, I will go to more. After going in more, it will suddenly come. I will go in again more. Now you can see everything has came. Now you can take a screenshot. Now I'm going to press and hold multitasking button, and here it takes a screenshot. And after taking a screenshot, you can adjust whatever you want, but even you can scroll, means you can take a full screenshot as per it can take. You can see download showing, tap anywhere on screen to stop scrolling and generate screenshot. But I will not scroll, I will show you where it stops. Now I will click. Now it stopped. Okay, now you can see how big is this screenshot. You are getting everything on one screenshot, and even you can just do frame it. No, you can't frame it because it's not of size. Okay, now I've done that. Now I will show you how to use Lividia. Lividia is a very good app in Google Play. Let's leave it. Now I will show you how to increase the speed of Jio Digital Life. First I will show you that I am using a Jio SIM 4G, Jio 4G. Okay, now I will go in, you need to go in Google Play, and in that you have to say okay Google. Oh man, okay, no problem. I will go in suddenly in Google Play because it's not listening my voice in that apps and games, and I will search for SNAP, Snap VPN. Okay, now we'll search. Here it's come, free VPN proxy by Snap VPN. You can download any of this, but I will certainly recommend you that free VPN. It's free of cost. It is secure, fast, free, and it's stable for use. It's super fast internet. I have already installed, so I will show you how to use that. You will go in Snap VPN. It will connect to the browser very nearest and fastest to you. But sometimes it crashes because you are doing many multitasking button, and after that it will show a key over there, like up here. Okay, I think it's not connecting. You can manually also connect, so I'm going to connect manually. I will connect India because suddenly India is also very good browser. It can connect you with any browser from any of the, like, see, now it's you can see the key up here. Now you can see the fast speed of this. Nothing, now everything will load very fast. Now see so fast is this. After just doing a simple step, your phone will be run like a masterpiece. Everything can load, everything, anything, whatever you want. I will show you a demo. I will update Google, and I have pressed on update. Sometime, just a little bit. connecting, and connected. Now suddenly see the speed from 130 kbps it's gone to 400. From 400 again it's coming down, but it will certainly increase. Now again it's going 400. Nothing, don't worry. No, I have already told you how to show, so I will not show you because it's secret. Okay, now I will show you how to use Google Camera on this. It's a very specific version. This, see, it doesn't crack on Lycolato, which many didn't know, because it usually crashes on everything. That's why I am using this and showing you that also. Now I have done my video. Please like and share it and subscribe my channel for more videos in future, from IAS, funny to everything. Yo Daman Singh. Okay, please come in. Bye, see you together.